Here are 30 sentences using thus, nonetheless, moreover, and in addition. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Sentences with thus. He broke the rules, thus, he was fined. She studied hard, thus, she passed the exam. The road was blocked, thus, we took another route. He worked overtime, thus, he completed the project early. She practiced daily, thus, her speaking improved. Sentences with nonetheless. The journey was long, nonetheless, we enjoyed it. He was tired, nonetheless, he continued working. It was raining heavily, nonetheless, the match continued. She didn't win, nonetheless, she learned a lot. The task was difficult, nonetheless, they accepted the challenge. Sentences with moreover. She is hardworking, moreover, she is very helpful. The house is spacious, moreover, it has a beautiful garden. He is talented, moreover, he is disciplined. The course is affordable, moreover, it offers a certificate. The city is clean, moreover, the people are friendly. Sentences with in addition. He teaches English, in addition, he writes books. The hotel provides free Wi-Fi, in addition, breakfast is included. She knows French, in addition, she speaks Spanish. The school has a library, in addition, it has a playground. The phone is affordable, in addition, it has great battery life. Mixed advanced sentences. The plan is risky, nonetheless, it is worth trying. The product sold well, thus, the company expanded. She apologized, moreover, she promised not to repeat it. He was late, in addition, he forgot the documents. The players trained hard, thus, they won the final. The hotel was expensive, nonetheless, the service was outstanding. The team is skilled, moreover, they have great teamwork. The price is low, in addition, delivery is free. She failed once, nonetheless, she didn't lose hope. He researched the topic thoroughly, thus, his presentation was impressive.